In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add first name in Constant Contact. Adding a first name to your email is a simple way to make your message feel more personal. Constant Contact lets you insert a contact field. So when someone opens the email, it can automatically display their first name if it is saved in your list. If the first name is not available, you can also set a backup word called fallback text, so your greeting still reads smoothly. To begin, open the email you want to edit in the Constant Contact editor. Make sure you are in the editing view where you can click directly into your content. Next, click into the text block where you want the first name to appear. This is usually in a greeting line near the top of the email, such as a hi or hello message, but you can place it anywhere in your copy. Once you click inside the text block, you should see your cursor blinking in the text area. Now place your cursor exactly where you want the name to be inserted. For example, you might put it right after a greeting and a space, so the final line reads naturally. Then go to the toolbar and click Insert and choose Contact Details. In some versions of the editor, you may see Greeting Tag instead. Either option works for inserting a contact field. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select First Name. This tells Constant Contact to pull the first name value from each contact record when the email is delivered. After that, enter your fallback text. This is the word that will display if a contact does not have a first name on file. Choose something that fits your brand and sounds natural in the sentence, like friend or customer. Keep it short so it blends into the greeting without drawing attention. Finally, click Insert. You should now see the first name field appear in your text block, right where your cursor was placed. You can continue typing around it as needed, and it will behave like part of the sentence. And that is all there is to it.